Hi guys, this is Mike. Welcome for a new tutorial. So today we work on a nice project that we have here. So it will be a serial input for an Arduino. So all the keypad we press in for this project we turn on an LED. We have one green, blue, and red. So this is what we're going to have, guys. And for that we need a breadboard. We have an Arduino board, we have wires, and we have LEDs, and we have a resistor. Alright guys, so from there I show you the schematic that we have, guys. So I have created that with a KiCad, you know. We can type it on the internet. This is an open source software used to make electronic schematics. It's written KiCad, KiCad. Alright guys, so here we have the main brain. That's the Arduino board, and on it we plugged different LEDs. So we have 1, 2, 3. And on each of them we plug resistors as well to protect the diodes. So it's pretty simple, you know. We don't have any other input beside of the USB input where we be connected to the computer. And from there, you know, if I tap 1, you know, I want turn on this LED. If I tap 2, I want this LED to turn on, and if I tap 3, I want this LED to turn on. That's more or less what we're about to do. So it's no more complicated than that. And I think we go from there, guys. From now on, guys, I want to show you the code. All right, I do the code review, and we can go from there, guys. All right, guys. First things first. This is what we'll need to do, guys. So we need 3 different output for the LEDs. Let me type int LED1, LED1. So I want to put it on pin 6, and I can just, you know, let me write it down. I need to let 2 equal 8. There we go. Int LED3 equal 10. There we go, guys. So I declare all the 3 of them. Now I need to declare all the different pins now as an input or as an output. Pin mode, LED1. I'll put it as an output. There we go. Pin mode, LED2 as an output. Pin mode, LED3 output. There we go, guys. So now we have that. Oh, no, let me not forget serial begin. So I can connect, because I do need to connect to the terminal, guys, here. So I need to do that. Serial begin, and I put it at 9600. So let's make sure that we be connected to 9600. All right, guys. There we go. So the first thing we need to do, you know, we need to see if the serial, if we receive any data. So we're going to be if Serial.available, if I'm correct, available is superior to 0. Superior to 0. All right, I close it. There we go. Where is it? It's superior to 0 if guys, we want to read the value. We want to read the value. If if oh no, before that we wanna tap the read it. We wanna read the value here from read. All right, we wanna do that. Serial.read serial.read. If I'm correct, that's it. So I want to read the value and I want to put it in a variable. I want to call that variable read. And I because I'm putting it as a integer because I type 1, 2, or 3, or 4, or 5, or 10 on my keyboard. So and from that I will turn on my outputs as a high or low. All right, let me show you guys. It'll be simpler. If read equals 1, if read equals 1, all right, read equal 1, digitalWrite. So LED 1. So when I put 1, I want the LED 1 to be at 1, and I put it at high. digitalWrite LED 2 low. So I put the first LED at 1 and the two others I put them at 0. digitalWrite LED 3. Voila. Alright guys, so this is what we have. So if I type 1 on my keyboard, it should turn on LED 1 at 1 for me. Alright guys, I want to do the same for the others. So if I type 2, Control C, if I type 2, if I type 2, I want to have this one at low, and I want to have this one at high. All right. Control C. Three. I'll put this one at low. I'll put this one at high. Alright guys, I can also show what it shows here. Alright, serial print. I put ln read. Okay, I need to put something else. That won't work. Let me put read 1. Okay, let me put read 1. Let me. All right, you won't put it as a function. All right, and all right, serial print ln serial.print the value is serial print is, yeah. All right, that's it guys. All right, I can write also here Control C, enter, and the keyboard. That's it, guys. There we go. There you go, there you go, there we go, guys. Okay, we have done all of that, guys. So now I think it's time for us to test it, verify if the code is well done. Okay, red is not defined. Okay, that's true. I changed it, so I need to change it there too. Red is going to, let me compile it one more time. Okay, that sounds good to me. Okay, guys, so now we can switch that to the hardware. So I'm going to wire the hardware. So before we go there, so it's connected on pin 6, 8, and 10, guys. 6, 8, and 10. All right. Here we go, guys. All right, let me write that for you. So we have three LEDs. Here we go. So we have the LEDs here. So the longer pin is a plus and the shorter pin is a minus. So we need to be careful of that when we wire them, you know, like with a battery. Let me do that here. We have another one here. I do just that. And I need to put I have 220 ohm resistors here. I do all of that as well. I connect them to protect the LEDs. Here we go, the last one. We're all good. So it will be connected on pin 6, 7, 6, 8, and 10. But this needs to be connected to GND, guys. All right, let me connect that to GND first. All right, 6, pin 6. Eight. Alright. Alright, there we go, guys. So now I'm going back to, let me switch it to the Arduino board, guys. Now Arduino IDE, Arduino software, and I will upload it, guys. Now I will upload it. Oh, it's not connected. So alright, so I need to connect it with the USB cable. So you heard it, and let me go see if everything is well connected. So it's done uploading, guys. Okay, now this is the serial monitor. So you don't see it here. Let me see. If I push one, it should turn on. All right. All right, 2. 3. 1. All right, guys, here we go. Let me share it with you guys. So this is the code here we have here, and I will share with you now what we have. Okay. So guys, here we are. When I click on the terminal, if I click on one, on my keyboard, it should turn on. Okay, since it's not really working, am I really well connected? Six. Okay, it doesn't seem to work. Okay, let me see if it's LED issue. It doesn't seem to be an LED issue. All right. I think it's working because I can still working. Okay, guys. From there, let me type 2. One doesn't seem to work. That happens, guys. You know, that's troubleshooting. Let me type 2. So when I type 2, it seems to be working, guys. So that's a good thing. Let me try to change it and put it here, see if it turns on. So I think maybe that's a LED. We're having an issue with the LED here. It doesn't seem to work when I change it. So that's a nice way to troubleshoot if we have any issues, guys. So that's it's well connected as well. It's a plus or minus, so I didn't change that. That's a good thing. All right, let me put it back here. Does it work here? It does work here. Let me try to change that LED and see if it's working. Let me see, guys. Let me get another red. You know, sometimes it can be that sometimes. Oh, that's not the right resistor. Okay, this is the mistake I made, guys. I'm sorry. I made a mistake. That's you know, that's the wrong resistor. So guys, it can happen, guys. So some issues, but thanks God I was able to troubleshoot it. Let me find the right resistor here. Let me find the right resistor here, guys. Like that one here. Let me change that one, and it should be working, guys. All right, there you go, guys. So let me try it one more time. So I go to my keyboard and go to the terminal and I type 1, and it should be working by now. Still having the same issue. There you go. That's strange. So I don't know what's going on with the pin, but yeah. Okay, guys, but anyway, I keep going. So number 2, I'll find it maybe later. And number 3 seems to be working. All right, we're having an issue only with 1. So it might be the board, it might be something else. Let me see the code. It may be I messed maybe with the code. 6, okay, 6. I put it as an output as well. Let 2. Oh no. Okay, everything. No. Okay, guys. So it seems to be working, guys. Okay. Now I'm going to show you all the different I'm going to show you the value now. It shows it to you like in a ASCII or something like that. I need to double check that, but I'm going to show that to you. There we go. There we go. Let me show you. That's the COM port, guys. All right, there it is. That's the different value that we have. Let me type let me type 2. When I type 2, there you go. There we should have the blue on. When I type 3, we should have the green one. The green on. All right, and let me show you now. Let me show you the green. There we go. Arduino. All right, that's the thing, you know. You kind of modify my thing all the time, but that's what we have. Okay. Let me change it now and type 2. And type 2. It should be the green, as you can see here, guys. Okay, and I troubleshoot the red, you know, but or maybe something I can do, guys. I can change the resistor here and see what result we have. Press 1. All right, it's still not working, so I figured it out. Okay, no problem. But you understand the concept behind all of this and how it works. Okay guys, so that was a nice project, so I hope you enjoyed it, you learned something, and especially how to use input from your keyboard and control things around your Arduino board. And that's what it is guys, so I really hope you enjoy it. Please give it some like, if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave some comments, that helps a lot, that helps me also know how the project went. And don't forget to subscribe and share the video, that helps a lot too guys. Thank you very much, bye bye.